How to apply for credit cards online in Canada. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply search for Royal Bank of Canada on Google and open up the official website of it. And you can also just simply click on this option of credit cards in Canada by Royal Bank, and this is how it will appear. Now over here you can simply click on this option of apply now in order to apply for a credit card. Otherwise, just scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see this option of whether you are applying for a credit card very first time or you are an existing card holder. Just simply select it accordingly. Then select the type of card that you are looking for, as there are different varieties of credit cards out there. So select it wisely and as per the use cases that you will be going to use it for. And here, when you scroll down further, you should be able to see some more credit cards here, and you can see the details of it, the annual fee, the purchase rate, and the cash advance rate, and all sort of options. You have to choose the best card for you according to your needs and requirements. And after you select a particular card, just simply click on this option of apply now, and after that you would be requiring to give out some of your personal details. And after assessing your details and your application getting completed on Royal Bank for this particular credit card, you should be allotted credit card in some time, and this way you would be able to apply for a credit card online using Royal Bank of Canada. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.